guys, it's Jessica and welcome to the Boxy Charm unboxing. However, this isn't really an unboxing because I already unboxed it and I already filmed it, but my audio didn't record because it was connected to my headphones, which are upstairs. So we're re-filming and we're just gonna go over the goodies in the Boxy Charm box, and yeah, we'll go ahead and jump right into it. So, we got the Ciate London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer, which I did put on my face, and it feels very nice. Honestly, kind of moisturizing. Yes. Here is what the product looks like. There is no scent to this product. It just smells like an unscented lotion. Feels kind of like a lotion. But yeah, I'm excited for this. It is going into my excited pile. So we will set that there. And since I already know what's in the box, I'm going to go ahead and tell you about that product. Prep skin for flawless dewy makeup application. With a cushiony texture, this primer provides a luminous glow with a dewy gloss-like finish. Formulated with brightening vitamin C and dragon fruit extract, rehydrating hyaluronic acid, moisture-boosting yuzu extract, and nourishing vitamin E to create smooth and hydrated canvas that glows all day. So yeah, that's the other thing, is my skin does feel very smooth and hydrated. So yeah, it retails for $32, and I do really like it so far. I mean, I've used it one time, but I am excited about it. Okay, next we have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrushed Foundation. Flawless is a feeling. Unlock the secret to flawless, poreless looking skin with Charlotte's award-winning Airbrush Flawless Foundation. A stay all day, weightless, full coverage, science plus color formula with natural matte finish. So here is the foundation. It is way too dark for me, so unfortunately I can't wear it. So I'm gonna see if I can get like a foundation lightener or something so I can mix it with this and get it to a lighter shade. But it feels very nice. It is definitely, in my opinion, a full coverage foundation, so they are not lying on that. I don't know if I would call it weightless, but it didn't feel as heavy as what I normally wear, which is the CoverGirl Olay Simply Ageless foundation. So yeah, I'd say it's probably pretty lightweight, but the packaging is just so pretty. Anyway, that retails for $44. So far of the things I like, we are at 44 plus 32, so 76. We're at $76. Okay. Next is the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel. So you just put this on your sore muscles, and it says experiencing the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, ginger, helping to soothe and recover. The card says experience the cooling, comforting, and transformative power of invigorating black pepper, warming ginger, and detoxifying rosemary in this award-winning gel. The perfect antidote to an intense workout or a demanding day. So, my muscles get sore a lot from work, so I'm really excited about this. The consistency is like a thin gel, kind of like a serum or something like that you would put on your face. It's very similar consistency. It smells so good. When I tried it, I didn't feel like a warming effect, but it does smell super good, and I am very excited about that. So it's another $40, so that would put us at $106, I believe. The next item is this Athera Beauty, the Big Bang. It's a mascara. I am always excited about mascaras, but we have so many right now. So this is just going to go in this little drawer here. It's going to wait for its day to shine. So we'll be trying it for a while, but I am very excited about it. And we did have Athera before with this palette. I don't know if you guys remember, but I'm pretty impressed by the brand from that palette, so I'm hoping the mascara will be just as good. And oh, there it is. Okay, the Ultimate Lash Maximizing Black Diamond Infused Mascara that truly does it all for the out of this world length, volume, curl, and definition. It retails for $28, so then we are at 106, so 34. We're at 134. So yeah. The next item is this Grace and Stella Everything is Better in Pink eye mask. Now, because of how this was wrapped, I totally thought it was a perfume. And also, Boxy Charm, please send us a perfume. That would be awesome. But anyway, these are eye masks, and there's 12 of them. So it's a very good deal. I do really like eye masks. So I am honestly excited for these. And this is what they look like. Super cute. So I'm excited to try these out and let you guys know what I think. But yeah, I'm very excited for these eye masks. I like things going under my eyes, so you know, no big deal there. So this is, these pretty and pink eye masks are focused on firming and hydrating the under eyes, formulated with palmitoyl tetrapeptide 5 to stimulate and boost collagen production, for fructose to attract and retain moisture in the skin, and horse chestnut to maintain healthy blood circulation and strengthen capillaries. By dark circles. These eye masks are the key to improving skin texture and firmness. Okay, I don't know about all that. I feel like the reason why eye masks help your under eye areas because they're nice and cool. And I think that helps a lot. But, you know, whatever. It's cool. $24, so we're at $167, I think. So the last item, and this one I am not, honestly, I'm not excited about it at all. But this is the Nuco, and it's called the Pill, and it's a serum. But it does not smell very good, and the smell is enough for me to not want to use it. I think I still will, you know, see if it's worth the $85 that it retails for. But I'm not looking forward to using it. The smell is just so bad. Okay, come on, camera. We always do this. We always have issues with focus. Whatever. Okay. We're going through it. Okay. So this says, this is a single daily dose of high potency actives designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate, and depuff skin, combining the best clinical and natural. It delivers a one-step solution to layering multiple acids safely. Okay, I just, you know, so this retails for $85. To me, it's not, I wouldn't pay $85 for this. I honestly probably wouldn't pay anything for this, my honest opinion. But it is kind of like a gel consistency as serums typically are. And it smells like, okay. It smells like the earth in a very bad way. Like the earth has attacked your house after it flooded. Okay? That's what it smells like. So, yeah, I'm not super excited about it. But we will still try it out at some point. For what I am excited about, totally excited about the de-stressing stuff. The eye masks, the mascara, the primer, and the foundation. I'm honestly excited about everything except for the thing I just showed you. So Once again, BoxyCharm has killed it, knocked it out of the park. They do great. So we'll see what Glossy Box is like this month, but I'm probably going to stop doing Glossy Box. I might do Ipsy for a short time until I can do the one that I really want to do, which is a surprise. So yes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry it was not an authentic unboxing, but I hope you still enjoyed and got something out of the video. So if you love my videos, please share them, like them, subscribe to them. If you hate my videos, please share them and, whatever, that's fine. Basically, just please share, subscribe, like, ring the bell, please. Alright, thank you guys, and me and you are gonna head out now. Bye!